Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lara Kesa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sleepy and you can, from my voice, you can just tell that I've just woken up. So I've woken up today. I'm free. Actually, I've been free the better part of this week. Today is on a Friday and I'm in college or university. So if you are new here, my name is Laura Gessa. We talk about lifestyle and travels in my channel. Feel free to comment. Feel free to be part of my gang. So guys, I've just woken up and I was like, let me make a video. A day, an idle day or a free day. I don't know about the topic. I'll decide the topic somewhere else. I'm just making content. In a university students, I have 0 classes today. I had one from 7 to 8. An online class. That's why my room is so messy. Yesterday I ate so late and I slept. Please don't judge me. I'm just a university student trying to figure out life. So I think you guys will I'll be with you guys as I'll first start by arranging my house, then wash utensils, then make breakfast, because at 10 I have, can I say, a mini appointment. I need to submit some assignments at 10 to a lecturer. I've already called her. She has told me that she'll be free as from 10. So as from 10, anytime I should find her in her office. So that is my day. Basically, that is my day. I don't know if I'll hang out with some friends, but I'll come back. I have some assignments that are due. I have cards next week. So I think I'll just take you guys along the entire day, what I'll be doing, what I'll eat. Yeah, and we'll see the way it goes. So let me take you guys to the dog. So maybe you might not see my face, but we are starting from here. I'm making the bed. Here is my laptop, and I told you guys I started by class. So laptop, for the meantime, let's place it somewhere here. Charger. Oh, forgive me. The first thing I do in the morning is open my window. Let me open it. And because I had a morning class, I had some mabuyu. I don't know if you can see, guys. Mabuyu. How can you see? Yeah, I had some mabuyu, so I've eaten a lot. This earbud stick up. I've been eating mabuyu for the morning class. I have a sweet tooth. This shirt is wet. The baking is not too bad. It will not affect my video. I'll go hang this t-shirt first outside. So guys, we finished with the bed and everything is set there. So we are cleaning up this area. It's not that very messy. This is an avocado that I ate yesterday half. Then I'm left with a half for my lunch, you know. All those who are in university or college or any tertiary institute and live alone, you know everything. Don't mind my hair. There are some locks. I actually installed some locks, so yeah, I have to be a Rasta girl. So where should I start from? Then this is some food I also cooked yesterday. Green legumes, green grains. So I always place it here, the leftover. I'll eat it today. So how I always arrange myself. Every time I cook supper, or every time I buy supper, I always buy a lot of food so that I can eat maybe the next day lunch and maybe supper if I won't finish lunch. So that I think it saves a lot of time going out and saves a lot of money just buying ones, other than buying it now then tomorrow I also buy those ones that cook. Sometimes I don't cook. I won't lie, sometimes I don't cook. And other times I think I cook depending on my moods and everything. So yeah, this place is a bit dirty. And I wouldn't want my house to look so dirty and messy. This is like my gate pass. And then this remote is also dusty. I have like a small TV here. Yeah, I enjoy myself. Remember, this is a student's house, student budget friendly house. So let me finish up this so that I just throw them at once. I have thermos where I store hot water. I love taking hot water. Not that I love taking water. I've been taking hot water since I've been feeling a bit sick. Just a common flu I have a flu. I'm gonna need some water. Okay, we need some water. There's some leftover. So not even bad. So let's wash utensils. There's some leftover. Is it called? That has not been bad yet. actually always leave food in the plate, so I don't snap this behavior. But I'm account of always place my dirt in one bag so that I just deposit it in my dustbin, and it prevents my dustbin from being dirty. But with this economy, it's how costly buying these 2 bags. But I have to be clean, man. Then pardon my tongue. Actually, I've been eating mabuyu. I don't know their names, their name in English, so I've been eating mabuyu. Those from Kenya, you can translate. So let's wash utensils. So I'm finally done, guys. Let's make breakfast, but first let me show you the transition. So this is how it looks. I love putting my laptop there because I have some other classes. I attend some online classes for my own benefit, see school and stuff. School today, I'm done with school and everything. Like I'm done with lessons today, as I told earlier on, told you at 7. So this is how it looks. I'll actually put up here a photo of before and after. Then here, I don't think I have a photo of this place, but this is how this place, cute place, looks like with the small TV there and my kitchen, oh la la, so clean and fresh. So let's make, what is it called? Breakfast. So guys, I want to make breakfast, and I bought milk, but I don't feel like taking milk today. I don't feel like taking milk tea. I just feel like taking cocoa. I have cocoa, as you can see. I have cocoa. I also have Milo. I have some beverages, cocoa, Milo, and I'm also not okay. I'm not yet a brand ambassador to any product, so I'll just be telling you the products I always use randomly, just randomly. So don't go there buy products if you're affiliated to me saying Laura uses this, I think is the best. No, you can just try your luck, but this is what I love. So if you go buy there, it's because you love it. So I have cocoa, I have Milo. Let me just show you guys, because some people can say, hi, you're lying, I have Milo. Those are the beverages I use most of the time. I don't think you can see, I have tea. This big one, my mom buys me this one everywhere. Every time I come back from home to school, I have tea bags for tea. But I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like taking tea today, so I'll just take some cocoa, and that means I have to boil water. And my kettle, I don't like boiling water in the kettle for drinking, making tea. I think it's just being a comrade. What's the money expensive? I have production equipments that use electricity, so let me use my gas, though gas is also expensive. I'm misbehaving. They're misbehaving. I think because they have known, they know I'm dead. They don't misbehave. So I have some water here. Let's make breakfast. So this is some leftover from yesterday's supper. I'll eat it lunchtime with some. I'm left with some avocado and some other leftover also from yesterday's supper. Don't mind that I mix it. Actually, maybe I'll be making some cooking. Comment in the comment section if you want to see my cooking schedules. I eat a lot of funny stuff being a student. So as I wait for my tea to boil, I think it's almost 8:30. Let me see. I'm recording with one of my phones. It's almost 9:30 and I have to meet that lecturer at 10. I've not yet typed my work, so let me prepare. I never wanted to wear a lot, but whoa, I'm going to school. I don't want people to stare at me like. So let me prepare, let me wear, then I get you guys. I'll show you guys my final look. It wouldn't be that of a look because I'm just going to submit the papers like to the house. So guys, I'm finally done with everything. I've made my hair, then I've dressed in this cute top. Actually, this is my go-to top. I don't know why. You know, you've seen a lot of vlogs of this. This is my go-to top, and I know I have a strapless bra, but I've not found it, and I just want to go check this report because I'm a bit late. I told the lecturer I'm taking the report at 10, so it's around 10:30. So maybe I'll see you guys after nimeshapeleka report because I have to go print it, then lament it, then take it to her. In the meantime, this is how I'm dressed. Let me show you. I just have a black trouser down. You can see I have a black trouser, then this top. Yeah, then I'm going to complement it. I'm going to wear this and I'm going to close jewelry. I have a flu. I've not even taken my medicines. Let me take my medicine, guys. Then we will meet after I'm from the lecturer. So this is how I'm going to the lecturer. Guys, nilirudi kutoka class, kutoka kusubmit the document, nimemaliza. I've already made lunch, I'm eating. Nikaona inaja niendelee juu after this I want to sleep, then learn 2 or 3 things, go through my note, then call it a day, then watch, always watch actually, then call it a day. Let me show you my lunch. I bought these chapos, then I had some dengu kikuyu, green grams. I've added a lot of water to give me soup as I'm eating. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you because I've already set up here my laptop, my book. I want to sleep a little bit, then wake up and read something small. Then my nails are popping. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you're new here, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.